What's up everybody, it's your girl Shayna and welcome back to my channel. Today's DIY, I'm going to be revealing what my backyard makeover looks like to you. If you want to see what this video looks like, keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can be the first to get my next upload. So guys, this is what my backyard and my walkway had looked like after I dug it all up this spring. This is the blacktop debris and the bricks that I dug up out of the backyard. This is what my small patio had looked like before. As you can see, the new concrete that I'm doing for the sidewalk. This is my Fiona and this is what my walkway had looked like with the old blacktop. I had extended my patio a little bigger and then I built a pergola over it. I'm gonna be sharing a video on how I build this pergola. But for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I decorate underneath the pergola. This is the new walkway that I had built. I'm so in love with my new walkway, guys. However, I won't get into too much details on how I built this walkway because I'm going to be sharing a video on how I built it. Guys, I can't explain the amount of compliments that I've gotten on this walkway. It feels so good to walk on a straight walkway, and not only that I love the walkway, but Fiona enjoyed chasing birds and walking to her friends at the gate on this walkway. And now it's time to start decorating underneath the pergola. This patio set is over 8 years old. And I'm just trying to be silly and enjoy decorating. I received this glass table a few years ago from my mom. I had no use for it, but now it comes perfect time I found use for it. This patio set came with an ottoman, but it looked too cluttered, so I removed it. Now I'm just placing my plant. I have a palm tree. This palm tree is from Home Depot. Now I'm placing my fern bush, and my fern bush was from Walmart. These cushion covered I sewed. I got the fabric from Walmart. I also made these pillows. The fabric is from Walmart as well. The stuffing in the pillows that I made or from old pillows that I have around the house that I'm not using. This wall decor I have for a while now. I have a set of 2, but I had nowhere to put it. And now it's the perfect time when it came in handy. These lanterns I took from my inside and I brought them outside. And this is what underneath my pergola turns out to look like. Guys, I'm so in love with this. It's such a warm, comfortable, and cozy feeling. I sit back here daily and I daydream that I'm on an island. This wooden lantern I DIY. There will be an upcoming video on how I made this wooden lantern. I got this summer sign for $2 last year Christmas at Home Decor. What a deal I couldn't have missed. These curtains that I sew them out of drop cloth. I purchased the drop cloth from Home Depot. Then I just use ribbon to tie it back. I purchased some PVC pipe from Home Depot to use for curtain rads. I also hang some string lights. The cord of the string light is white, so it's very hard to tell that I have lighting. This is what my small backyard turns out to look like. I've installed some artificial grass. The grass I've purchased from Amazon. I also built this wishing well from car tires. And this is what it looks like at night. Guys, I have to say the camera did not do it any justice. It looks way better in person than it looks at night on the camera. The walkway looks like at night. Again, the camera did not do it any justice. It looks so much better in person. I have some solar light in between each paver blocks going towards the gate. Let me know what you guys think about this makeover in the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can be the first to get my next upload. Now remember, you could do all things through Christ who strengtheneth you. Until next time, be blessed.